Hey everyone, and welcome back to another tech tip and guide video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can change your Plenty of Fish or POF account's password. First of all, open any web browser on your mobile device or a desktop, and in the web address bar, type in pof.com. Then it will take you to the official web page of Plenty of Fish, and here, click the option Sign In. Then enter your username or email. After entering your email or username, tap Forgot Your Password, and there enter your email address. And after entering your email, click Reset Password. Now open your email and check for the mail POF sent you. Click on it and click Reset Password. Now POF page will open, and here you can enter new password for your POF account. After entering your password and confirming it, tap Update Password, and there, your password has been changed successfully. So that was it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, please make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel.